Alright. After my first affiliate marketing class, I was not satisfied with the first class in Udemy. Sorry about it, Udemy. I love your platform with the content, especially web development, and I use often your platform too. So please don't misunderstand me, Udemy. I don't mean the Udemy is bad, alright? So I kept looking for other classes which makes me happy and teach me how to do affiliate marketing correctly. While looking for these classes, I figured out one thing. If you don't know who I am, I'm a Peter Park online side hustler. And welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things here. So the first is there's an important thing that I figured out about affiliate marketing. Second, I'm going to do a product review called WP Affiliate Suite with my bonus pages. So this is very important. Third one, there is a free access link down below here about affiliate marketing tips for beginners. You can get the access for free, and if you don't know what is inside here, I'm going to share the link here about the previous video, so you can check what it is inside. If you are interested in this, don't miss it out. I figured out one thing about affiliate marketing, which is website or landing page. You have to have a website or landing pages to get the traffic from organic or paid traffic, such as advertisement or whatsoever. I can see a number of YouTubers who are very professional mentioning that you don't have to have a website to do affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing without website, something like that. Yes, correct, I agree, I understand it. But personally, if you want to have your own brand, you have to have a website. This is business which requires time to grow up. This is not something that makes your money for a short time. It takes time, definitely, but once you build your own brand, this is gonna be really strong and it won't disappoint you at all. So that is my understanding. So I can show you my bonus pages about WP Affiliate Suite here, and basically my bonus pages is made by WordPress. Okay, let's check this out. So this is my bonus page here, Peter bonus bundle. You can see this is, once you see this page, then this is my bonus page. Alright, yes, if you see this image first, then you are end up my bonus page. So Peter bonus bundle here, and you can see what is the WP affiliate suite. So like Chris, you know, this guy, he made this product, amazing product, and he's been affiliate marketing since 2001. 2001 is when I was a middle school student, maybe. Yeah, I think so, roughly. And he's been able to quit his full-time job and take care of his family, which is good, amazing. And as he said here, the exact method I've been using since 2013 that earns me 6 figures a year, which is a lot of money, and affiliate sites using WordPress. So I'm going to skip this video, and normally you can see in this class online training about affiliate marketing training and step-by-step WordPress training here. So you can see this website. Once you buy the product, then you will assess it. Anyway, I'm going to go down. So step by step, I'm going to show you here Okay, bonus pages. Oh wait, I think I go to this page. This is a sales page. So if you click the link here, click the link and grab the bonus for you, then the sales page, you will see this sales page here, which is this one. The price is 17 USD, which is not expensive and it's affordable. It's okay, and you can learn it step by step. So I'm not going through everything here. You can see later. And also there's a theme too, which is good. 30 days guarantee. It's good too. So I'm going to go through my bonuses here. The bonus is first 259.95 bucks. It's called from 0 to 100 in 24 hours. So this is also video tutorials, and you can learn how to do affiliate marketing, and there's a lot of tips here. So yes, which is good, and you will get some idea. And I'm going to show you this inside later, how it looks like. So here I'm going to the bonus 2, value 159.95 USD. Here 0 hour work days, 0 hour work days. Okay, so this is also video tutorials, and you can get some idea how to approach affiliate marketing, how to make it, or how to attract organic traffic. So why I sharing similar topic but also different product with you as a bonuses, because I want you to combine the ideas. I think probably you will find your way too. I'm sharing the options for you, so it's good. And bonus 3 is right hand system, eBay e-commerce tip. Actually, this is not related to affiliate marketing. However, when it comes to online side hustle, there are many ways to get money, to earn money. For me personally, I like e-commerce, so I think probably one of the visitors, you guys, my subscribers, you like e-commerce too. You are interested in new e-commerce, so I've shared eBay e-commerce tips, and also there's some connection, between affiliate marketing and also e-commerce too. If you are doing e-commerce, you can also promote your product to in the social media, which is also related to affiliate marketing. It's good. I like it. So I share this one. This is also video tutorial, and hopefully you get some idea too here. You get help, And here bonus 4, its value is around 100 USD. Easy passive paydays. It's also affiliate marketing too, and you get some ideas, each I share already 3 different product affiliate marketing. You can figure out some similarity or differences between that, and hopefully you can find there some common things. What is the most important things inside? So I share this one. Hopefully you get help. Number 5 is Google Ads retargeting tutorial. Remarketing, or people say retargeting. This product is important for you because if you have a website and people visiting your website, this retargeting advertisement can chase visitors all the time if you run the Google Ads. So it's very useful one, so I share this one for you. Number 6 is all about WordPress site full package. So there's 12 types products, which a lot of things you have to observe and learn it. So if you make decision about WordPress and affiliate marketing, affiliate site, website, then I think this is gonna be really helpful. So I share this one too. So that's all for my bonus page here, and I go to the here. I go to the W affiliate suite here, and I click the affiliate training. I'm going to briefly show you around here. So affiliate marketing and proof, he's saying, basically whether it's correct or not, this is true things. So he's sharing his experience, you can hear and check. I like it. So there's the video length is roughly less than 10 minutes, so you can quickly understand the concept, and there's all his advice. I like it. So, and afterward, and also there's WordPress training, which is a bit difficult, but you have to, if you want to have a website. And also, actually, there are many options like Wix or maybe Shopify, or you can make other websites, maybe even also Google site as well. But I think WordPress, there are many options you can make in terms of themes or many functions too. So I personally like WordPress. So have a look at this, and I hope you guys to start new business, online business, And finally, I'm going to share about the bonus page inside, these bonuses, the contents. Have a look, please. So here, as I mentioned about bonus one first, from 0 to 100 bucks in 24 hours. And you can see there's a case study here, whether it works or not, and also you can see how to do this affiliate marketing. It's proven actually. So the first bonus looks like that. Second one is 0-hour work days. Also, you can see there are many videos, and you will be so busy to learn it here, like trading traffic, buy traffic. He will teach you how to do that, which is good. Yes, so you can get some idea how to do that. And third one is about e-commerce. There's also things that introduce about right hand overview. You see the getting started with eBay and sourcing strategy, analyzing, listing. I think pretty accurate. There's a lot. So I personally like this one, as I'm doing also e-commerce. I'd like to learn it later. I just look at just one or two things. So if you buy the WP affiliate suite, you can have this one too. So, and this one is easy passive paydays. So he will share about to affiliate marketing as well. Hopefully you get some ideas and combine the options. You have many options here. You can choose either, or you can follow some half of strategy from the bonus one and half of the bonus strategy 2. You can pick up anything you want. So it looks like that. And last one is as I mentioned about WP affiliate suite bonuses here, or here, everything. So you can click and download it if you are doing WordPress website affiliate marketing. So hopefully you guys like this video today, and and also I'm sharing the free link down below. Please click the link and get free access. I'm giving you for free, which is good. Today's video is that's all, and I hope you guys like my video. And definitely, if you wanna do something new, you have to take action. I will come back to you a new video. And thank you guys for my subscribers, and see you next time, and have a great day. Bye.